This is me. I don't know if you can see it, but it's a solar eclipse. I'll get a little bit closer. Like, to...
Riley, it's not going to get any closer. It's the sun. Don't look at it, Riley.
I'm not. I don't know if you can see it, but I can. So yeah, bye. This is in Illinois, Yorkville. So yeah, bye.